Wait, what? Swap!
What?
Handcuff me!
No, you can stay there.
Swap!
Being rude all the time.
What is going on? Swipe!
What?
What have I said about putting handcuffing her by the neck?
Yeah.
Uncuff her now.
Alright, calm down.
Don't you tell me to calm down.
Don't you tell me that.
Courtney, Candy, sorry. How can you listen to music while you're asleep, right loud?
Yeah, stupid cat.
Oi!
What?
No need for that, were they? Because I like to listen to music here.
Yeah, but you don't need to do it that loud, do you?
Sweet. She's doing nothing wrong. You just walked in and disturbed her.
Oh, yeah.
Right, give me them handcuffs. Give me them handcuffs.
Why?
Give me the handcuffs.
Yeah.
Pedro, give me the handcuffs. Right, I'm taking these. Key.
You don't get a key, William, Zoe. There ain't no
Freddie, give me the key.
No, I ain't
Freddie!
I ain't got a key, Zoe.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure, Zoe.
Well, move.
No, get off, sweet. You don't anything like that.
Give me the key, Freddie.
I ain't got a key, Zoe.
I need the key.
No,
Freddie,
Zoe, I ain't
swap
got a
this
key.
move a minute.
No, Mummy, he hasn't got a key now. Even
No, there is a key here.
No,
Is it already in the cuffs? Freddie,
Yeah,
give me the
it's
key.
already in the cuffs.
Freddie, give me the
No,
key.
no.
Freddie!
You stop going through my personal things on
Freddie,
it.
give me the key. Oh!
Ow, you just punching. Ow, ow, oh, Zonna, ow. Ow, you just punching in the
I
arse.
didn't mean to, but you should have just given me the keys. Freddie, look, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hit you in the eye, but
Yeah,
just give me the key.
I haven't got a keys on it.
Freddie, get out of the bathroom. Oh, Freddie, get out of the bathroom. Now.
I haven't got a key.
Freddie, I know you have. Freddie, give me the key.
There ain't no key.
Freddie?
Look, nothing's in my pockets on it. Look, nothing.
Where is it?
Ow! You don't grab me by the neck like that. Ow, Zonna, what are you doing?
Freddie,
Ow.
give me the key.
You haven't got a key.
You have.
No, I haven't.
What did you go in the bathroom for then?
Needed to wash my hands.
Freddie. Right.
Pedro, do you believe me that I haven't got a key?
You have got a key.
No, I haven't got a key.
Get off like that.
Ow!
Get off, Pedro.
Ow, buddy, just smacked me up. Ow!
Freddie, you're alright.
No, Zonna, I'm not. Ow, Zonna. Here, come in. How do you like it? Do it.
Stop!
Well,
I didn't even hit you that hard, I did that. I
No,
clipped you to make you like one Pedro.
And I clipped you to make, to stop clipping. Pedro, I've not got a
Stop!
Ow!
I didn't, I just...
Ow, Zonna! Ow, Zonna!
Stop! Right.
So wait, I haven't...
Just give me the key.
Alright. Sweet, go and get key.
Where is it? Go and get it for me. Fetch it. Fetch. Come on, doggy. Fetch the key.
Don't call me doggy, cow.
Oi!
What?
That is rude.
No,
Stop. You don't call me a cow.
You don't call me doggy. It's rude. Having a nice time, Candy.
Stop! Stop. Freddie. Freddie, open the door. What are you doing? I've dropped handcuffs outside at bed. Oh my god. Where are they? Oh! Freddie! Sweet! I've dropped the phone outside at bed. Freddie! I've lost the phone down the bed. Freddie, can you get it?
Where's it gone?
I'm gonna go. It's gone down here.
Oh, for goodness.
Just pull. We're gonna get it.
Hang on, Donna. Hey, Joe. Cat.
Oh, yes, that's the line. Right, stop it. Right, we need to get under bed.
No, we don't.
Right, Freddie, when you get the camera, don't stop the recording.
I won't, Donna. Hang on, I need
Right.
handcuffs too.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was trying to get. Whoa!
And then I nearly smashed the light.
Throwing pillar in air. Right.
Hang on, Zoe. Hang on.
Freddie.
Hang on, Zoe.
Handcuff keys need to be gone. Can't play with him sensibly, then I'm taking him. What?
The key.
Where?
Over there.
Over where?
You know that road out window? It's dangling out window.
So, Freddie!
What?
Oh. Freddie, to do it so you don't drop it down the toilet. Give it me.
No.
Freddie!
No.
Freddie.
Huh? You are in there, Candy.
There. Can't get it now, can you?
Candy knows this. Candy knows it.
Oh.
Anyway.
Right. For that bit of drama, right, can we stop it with the handcuffs now?
Yep.
Stop putting them around Candy's neck or anyone's. Right, anyway, we've got to go shopping.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
We just got to call at the supermarket for get a cake for
Hang on.
Grandad Dog. It's his birthday on Friday.
I know. I just need to go to the toilet.
What?
I need toilet.
You could have went while you were being stupid in there. Oh. Oh. Freddie!
Wake up, Candy.
Stop disturbing Candy.
You
No.
stop. Get off me.
Stop disturbing Candy. You didn't need the toilet.
Mommy.
Swipe, that was
I need a
weird.
tissue.
Go on then, go in the bathroom.
Alright, Mum.
Oh.
Candy.
Stop disturbing Candy.
Candy. Whoa.
Stop.
No, don't hit me, Zonna.
Right, stop it with the sticks now.
Candy.
Give up.
Candy, you gonna wake up?
Stop it now.
Candy.
Leave Candy alone. Put the deodorant down. Back to your room.
I can walk myself.
Freddie, into your room.
Ow.
I'm not trying to hurt you, I'm just...
Mommy, that's my room. Why she got my room?
Well, she... I keep telling her that's Sweet's room when she don't listen.
But she can't take over my room.
Right, why don't you go in there and ask nicely then?
You
Leave-
said not to disturb
No,
her.
well, just go and ask nicely, I'll supervise.
Okay, Mommy. Candy.
What?
Candy. This is my room, not yours.
Well, I was here, so leave me alone.
No, get out of my room, Candy. It's my room, not yours.
No!
Mama, she's not yours.
Candy, come on, leave. No! Freddie, get off her.
What? Come on, Candy.
Stop!
Why?
I want to leave the room.
Come on, Candy.
Can I just have 5 more minutes?
No. Candy, out. Get out.
You get out.
No, you.
You.
You wonder why I handcuffed you earlier? So I can get you out anytime I want.
No.
Mommy, get out.
Candy, come on. I'm not going to ask you again. No, Zoe.
Come on, Candy. Don't mind.
Why don't you two go?
No, why don't you?
No. Right, Candy. There'll be no McDonald's.
Yeah, no McDonald's, Candy. Ow. Ow.
Right, just for that, Candy, you're grounded for a month. Freddie, whoa. Freddie, breathe.
She couldn't hit me like that.
Yeah, she's... Right, Candy, that's it. Grounded for 2 weeks. Right, Freddie, breathe. Hitting Freddie like that just for asking you. Ah!
Scratched your face, though.
Freddie, well... He scratched my face!
Oh, Candy, come here. Oh.
You're gonna pull yourself. Right, do you want to say sorry to Freddie? Sorry, Freddie.
Come on. Where go, Freddie? I'm sorry.
Cock-a-doodle-doo! Wakey time! Stop being stupid, but Candy, you are grounded for that.
Candy, no, don't ground us on.
Stop being stupid. And just sneeze. Oh, Freddie, you sneezed on me.
Yes, bye.
Yeah, do you want to say bye?
Bye.